Hey guys, Ed here. In this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace your headlight bulbs in a GMC Terrain. So let's start. It's actually a little bit more complicated procedure than other cars, but it's still very doable. So let's start by opening the hood. And here, why are we opening the hood? Because we're gonna need some light like this. Now I already started doing this here. Now look, there will be two clips here. Okay, so you have to get clips out. How the clip comes out: first you get the middle piece out, just take it out with a screwdriver, and then the rest of it comes out. Also you will have two screws like this. It's a T20, so you need accordingly T20 stars type screwdriver and flathead screwdriver, and you will need 7mm ratchet with 7mm socket. Why we need the 7mm is because underneath over here there will be two screws also, one here, and we will have to get it out. So once you get it out, you're able to wiggle. In perfect situation you will take the wheel off. Okay, right now I don't have option to take the wheel off, so I'm just moving this side. Okay, now at least we have some light. And second thing, you can just a little bit pull on the bumper, just like this much, so you can get your hand inside. All right, so the thing is, as you can see over here, we have this lid, the cap, this right here. Okay, so it's like round piece. So what we have to do, we have to take it and unlock it and take it out. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna put my hand inside. The thing is, as you can see, this is like crazy limited space to film, and I'm not able to put my hand inside and the camera, so I'm just gonna put my hand inside, spin it, and pull it out. So this is the piece I'm talking about. Okay, just put it in, spin it, it goes in. This is how it's gonna close. Tick, tick. And how to open it, like this. After that, we have to get our hand on the bulb. I hope you can see it. Okay, you should see the bulb. Little green thing. Now then we take the bulb with our hand, spin it, and pull it out. Okay, so here's our bulb. Once you spin it and pull it out, okay, like this. Right? To remove the bulb, you have to raise up this lid. There's this plastic thing, like this, and take it off. Okay, and that's how you take the bulb out. So again, when you take this round piece out, the bulb is in the housing, so you have to take the bulb, spin it, and pull out. So it's gonna be like tick, tick, and then remove the connector. Once you have the replacement bulb, replace bulbs, and just connect. Same way you took off the connector from here, same way, connect it. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it in, but it's gonna go in like this, and then we just spin it a little bit like this, chick, chick. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, so I have my bulb in position. Now take this cover, and same way, put your hand inside, find the position. Well, I've done this 100 times, that's why it's easier for me, but it's nothing complicated, guys. Okay, it's back in. After that, we're gonna clip our bumper back in place. Make sure this thing goes on over like this, and put back all necessary screws and the clips and everything. So you take your screws and everything you took out, put it back in, and that's it. As you can see, it's a very simple procedure. For a little bit more light, what I did, I also opened this cap here. How to open the cap: there are 3 clips, 1, 2, 3. Get them out, and then you're able to fold this out of your way, and then you have some sunlight. Right here you see this is the thing. And right here you have the sunlight to work and to see more. So if this helps, guys, please press like button and have a great day.